Have you ever wondered how long StashAway has been around? It might seem like it's been forever, given its popularity and the trust it's garnered over the years. But let's dive into the history of this innovative investment platform. StashAway was founded in 2016 by Satish Kannan and Jeffrey Go. They saw a gap in the market for a simple, affordable, and accessible investment platform, especially for those who might be intimidated by traditional investment options. Their goal was to democratize investing and make it a part of everyone's financial journey. The early years of StashAway were marked by steady growth and a focus on building a strong foundation. They launched their first product, the StashAway Simple Plan, which offered automated, risk-adjusted investing. This plan was designed to be accessible to investors of all levels, with minimal effort required. As StashAway gained traction, they expanded their product offerings. They introduced the StashAway Stocks Plan, which allowed investors to invest in individual stocks and ETFs. This plan catered to those who wanted more control over their investments and were comfortable with taking on higher risks. Key milestones. 2017, StashAway launched its Singapore operations, marking its first international expansion. 2018, the company raised a significant amount of funding, which fueled its growth and allowed them to invest in technology and expand their team. 2019, StashAway introduced the StashAway Retirement Plan, a dedicated investment solution for retirement savings. The impact of StashAway. StashAway has had a significant impact on the investment landscape in Southeast Asia. By making investing more accessible and affordable, they have empowered countless individuals to take control of their financial future. Their focus on simplicity and transparency has helped to demystify investing and make it a more approachable option for many. The future of StashAway. As StashAway continues to grow, it's clear that they have ambitious plans for the future. They are committed to innovation and expanding their product offerings to meet the evolving needs of their customers. Whether it's through new investment strategies, enhanced technology, or increased accessibility, StashAway is poised to remain a leader in the investment industry. So, to answer the question we posed at the beginning, StashAway has been around since 2016. In just a few short years, it has grown into a leading investment platform, revolutionizing the way people invest and save. With its focus on simplicity, affordability, and accessibility, StashAway has made investing a more inclusive and empowering experience for millions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.